Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Abdul Ghadir. My task is to do part 2, measuring phase using a oscilloscope function generator. Okay, go to multi-sim and take first function generator, oscilloscope, and then grounding. After that, resistor, one more resistor, 2 resistor we use, and rotate. And then function generator change to 1000 Hz and 10 Vp amplitude. And this one is 4k ohm, and for this one is 1k ohm. And then connect the circuit. Connect the circuit using the words that you given. Channel B. Okay, done. Same like lab. Okay, so run. Double click here and change the scale to easy to read. Okay, then change to AC volts channel, and then stop the wave if you want to look the graph. Okay, this is the waveform for oscilloscope, and the different phase is 0, T2 minus T1 divide by time, multiply by 360, so you get 0. So that's it. Okay, then if done, stop. Oh, for sure. This is the result for oscilloscope. Okay, that's all. Thank you.